Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Do It With Us. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to delete duplicate photos in Google Photos. If your library is getting messy with duplicates, this is for you. Let's dive right in. First, go ahead and open your Google Photos app, either on your phone or on your computer. Once you're in, navigate to your photo library. If you already know which photos are duplicated, head over to them directly. Scroll through your library, albums, or use the search option to locate the duplicates. Now select the photo you actually want to keep. This way, you don't accidentally delete the wrong one. Here's the catch. Unfortunately, as of now, Google Photos doesn't have a built-in feature to automatically detect and delete duplicate photos. That means you'll need to delete them manually. To do this, just tap and hold on the duplicate photo you want to remove, then hit the trash icon. This will move it to the bin, where it stays for 30 days before being permanently deleted. And that's it. That's how you delete duplicate photos in Google Photos in 2023. Hopefully, Google adds a built-in duplicate cleaner soon, but for now, this manual method is the way to go. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video.